This is Cody sleeping on the boat. He decided to fall asleep, sitting up in his life jacket and snoring. Meanwhile, we're parked on the side. Lovely area. We're on the Gasconade River. Daddy's in the water somewhere. There he is. Daddy's in the water. Got our canopy up. Everyone see our canopy? Woo, lovely canopy.
Nice view of the soybeans.
Soybeans. Boat coming down. I'm back to Cody sleeping. You guys are more interested in anyway. This is great. Too funny. Say goodnight, Cody. We'll see you later. We're gonna enjoy the river and let Cody sleep.